And now I'm need to driver Lexmark this here for Syria. You type here the driver download. This one I'm search the official website for you. I like the load for the official website. The official website that are virus and easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website. You click here. This here for the printer. You scroll down. This here for the title. Spot. Click here for the title. And this here for the title driver and download. Click here for the title. And you scroll down. This here for okay, this here for the type cure automatic operating system and my operating system for Windows 10. And if you need change the this here for driver recommended for me for the Windows 10. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for all operating system for the Linux, Windows, and Mac. I am sure for the Linux, and this here for the Linux version. This year for the new version for the Fedora 13.7, 13.6, 13.3, and this year for 13.2. This year for the Fedora 24, 20, 25, 24, 25. This is for the Debian, OpenSUSE, Red Hat, and this year for the SUSE Linux for Ubuntu. And I am recommendation for you download for the new update for the driver looking date release this year for a new date release. And I am sure for you for the Mac Macintosh in this year for the driver for the Macintosh. Click here for the fashion, click here for the fashion, and this year for the new fashion for Macintosh. And this year for the Mac Dual Life, Mac 11, Mac 13. I am testing for Mac 13 this year for Mac 13 driver and universal print driver for the Lexmark color printer. And this year for the Mac 13 looking the release this year for new that release support for Mac 13, and this year for the language English mode. If you need to download, you click here for the title, click here for button download. And this year for show all for all operating system. If you do not you download for Mac for the operating system. And change operating system for Windows, and this year for operating system for the Windows 11 new version for Windows. This year for Windows 10 driver, Windows 11 driver, Windows 7 driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1. This year for Windows Server Support. On this video, I need to load driver for Windows 11. Select here for the Windows 11 and look in the release in this year for the new that release support for Windows 11, and this year for the language English port, and this year for driver, printer, and scanner only. If you need if you need download driver or printer or scanner only this year, I recommendation for you. If you need download driver universal, and this here for the driver universal and this is for universal print driver installation package, and this is for the match the support your the include the package for the Windows 11. If you need download, you click here and you click here for button start download. This here for your driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC take USB cable printer, and this one finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here or you click here, you click open, double click file, you click that, and you click finish. This here for the tag automatic USB cable. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you, bye.